9:30 on Thursday. I have the day off. Woo! But today is a very exciting day slash getting stuff done day, because there is so much I need to do. I've already done my groceries, so I'll give you a little grocery haul. Not that exciting, just a random sort of things. But tonight my mum is flying up from Tasmania, because my family live down in Tasmania. I live up here in Brisbane, so she's flying up and she's staying here for about a week, and I'm so excited. So we're gonna go pick her up from the airport tonight. She thinks we're just gonna like drive up and pick her up, but I'm gonna surprise her and meet her at her gate. So hopefully it all goes to plan, but I'll bring you guys along. So her flight gets in about 7:30, but me and Sam and I are going to dinner bit before, so we'll probably go to dinner about 5 and then like drive to the airport. So, and I'm gonna park my car. So all fun things, but I have so much to do. I'm gonna clean like all our room, wash the sheets, already put the towels on, put the rugs on, done some clothes. Even though today is like, it's a sunny day, but there's clouds around, so hopefully there's no rain today, because I've been trying to get my washing done. It's been raining on and off like every day this week. First thing is some chips for Sam, because they're his favourite chips. Some chocolate for me, the only chocolate I can really have. But this is, oh my gosh, this is the best chocolate ever. I love it. So I got that. Also got some milk, because I'm running out. Got some, these are really good. I love these. They're honey soy chicken flavour. I like them better than chips, because I don't really eat chips, so they were $1. Good. Got some more porridge for my breakfast, because that's all I eat for breakfast. Very boring, but also healthy. And also got this for my mum. It's like a new double cookie and cream Kit Kat, and she loves Kit Kat, so I got that for her. And then what else have I got in here? Oh, some lollies for Sam. This is just a grocery haul for me and like everyone. A lemon, because I'm going to make that little like cake slice I made a couple of weeks ago. So, and it's got lemon icing, so I'm going to make that today. I got this just to try it. You can't really see it. It's the Vovo, it's chocolate. I think I've tried the Scotch finger one, but this looked really good and it was $1, so I grabbed it. And then just maple syrup to go on porridge. Okay, the weather is definitely against me today. It doesn't want me to do my washing. I've just hung it all out. I'm cooking some halloumi for lunch. This is literally one of my favorite things for lunch. I know it's like unhealthy, but it's so good. Oh my gosh, it's been such a busy morning. It is about 1:15 now. Had my lunch, I've cleaned up the study as you saw. I've like vacuumed like every house, oh my god, I can't even talk. Every room in this house basically, and then I've been doing my washing, and it has been raining, so I had to run out, get it all off, and then it went sunny, so I put it, oh no, my sister's calling me. Oh, it's not working. Hello, I'm talking to my vlog. So it's a little while later now. I look like I'm in the exact same spot, but I've just spoken to my sister for like half an hour. And so my mum is at the airport now, probably, oh, what's the time? Because they're an hour ahead. It's 2 p.m. here, so it's about 3 p.m. there. So she's probably just getting to the airport. Her flight leaves at like 6 and gets here at 7:30, so I'm very excited. But I've just set up her room and everything as you saw, and everything is all clean now. Washing is just, yeah, I don't even want to talk about the washing because I've run out so many times to go get it. So but this is, I'll show you guys how I'm drying the sheets right now. Over the dining table with the door open, and my other sheets are just literally drying on my bed and my clothes and stuff with the fan on. So it just kept on raining, and I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna bring it all inside and hopefully it'll dry. But yes, I'm very excited for my mum to get here. I haven't seen her since November, so that's like, I don't even know what month we're in. That's like 5 months almost, so I'm very, very excited. So this is where my mum is staying for the night. I've put her towel there. Looks like a hotel, haha. And then I've put some water and some tissues, and in here I've just got some like makeup remover, toothpaste and hand cream, and her favorite Kit Kat and some biscuits. Hi.
Hi.
Yeah. Hello. We
Hello.
just had sushi tray.
Yeah.
Very exciting. It was very yummy. You spilled some on your shirt.
I did.
On his
And
white
now I
shirt.
look like a fool.
And what have you got for dessert?
McFlurry.
I did not get anything.
It's okay.
Well, I can't
Well,
eat most of the stuff at Macca's anyway.
You, maybe the iced chocolate, but you didn't feel like it, did you?
No, I can
No.
only have that with, yeah,
The
lactose-free milk. And you got a frappe as well.
I'm in a chocolatey mood.
Yeah, I know. Geez, you got lots of ice cream, chocolate cream. But sushi train was good. We're just waiting a minute to drive off to the airport because I booked the parking for like 6:30 and it's only 6. It only takes like 25 minutes to get there, so we're gonna wait for a bit. But I'm very, very excited to see, oh sorry, I was like bashing my wheel. I'm very excited to see my mom. Made it.
We didn't.
We're waiting at her gate right now. Yay, it was like the one right out like of the baggage stuff, so yay. And I was really nervous going to park because I hadn't done it before, but it's really easy, so we're just hoping you don't need a ticket to get out. She was meant to land like 5 minutes ago, but looks like she's just doing loops. We just ran. They changed the gate. I'm sick of running in airports. They changed the gate again and we had to run. Oh my god. I'm gonna pass out. Oh my gosh, we're still waiting.
Hopefully nearly over.
Yay. I want my mum. Yes. Oh, we're tired. We've been here since 6:45 and now it's like 8 PM or something.
It's not even that long, to be honest.
No, that isn't. But we've been running around the airport. But Mum's finally here. She's just gone to the bathroom. But she's here.
Yeah.
So yay.
Yeah.
No more waiting.
Definitely.
Just wait to get our bags. Get her bags.